Standing in front of you, 4x no 7 means 9. Very good. I have been standing in front of you for 9 minutes. Since when? No, we can change it. I have been standing in front of you since I entered. V2 beta. Since I entered the library. Since you came to the library. Since you took your seats. Since you sat on the chairs. What's clear? Since now you can say I started. Since I started now the lecture, the lesson. Clear? Since you got ready. जब से तैयार हुए. Since you got ready for learning. बात clear होगी? V2. Since now the previous period finished was over. ठीक है ना जी? अब finished technically is wrong. We can say was over. The period was over. Since the previous period was over. वो concept वही है. The finished, no? Should be over. Points clear? Yes, sir. Since you opened your notebooks. Clear? Since you decided to learn it. Clear? चलिए अब आगे. ये बात clear होगी? See, very simple. This is something you mention some activity which was done. जब आपने कोई काम शुरू किया उसमें कुछ तो हुआ होगा ना? Yes, sir. आप कह सकते हो जी कि I am studying in this college. What are you doing?
I am
studying in this college. Since when? किस पे फोकस करना है आपने?
I have been studying in this college since I entered the college.
Very good. Since I got admission. Since I got admission. जब से मैंने admission लिया. Clear? Since I deposited my dues. जब से मैंने वो अपने dues जमा कराए उस दिन से पढ़ रहा हूँ. Clear? बात clear हुई कि नहीं? Since एक और चीज हो सकती है इसी रिप्लेस करना है ना. आप SN करें जरा. SN पता है ना? Who? There are 9 who's. याद है कुछ? याद आया कि नहीं आया? I, we, you, they, he, she, it, SN. SN. Since the session. Very good. Since the session. I have been studying in this college since the session started. Since now the new session started. क्लियर होगी बात? नए सबक से पहले एक सेंटेंस सारे बनाएंगे. मेरा क्वेश्चन है व्हाट आर यू डूइंग दीज डेज? व्हाट आर यू डूइंग दीज डेज? इन दिनों आप क्या कर रहे हैं? फिर फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग? जो काम भी कर रहे हैं कितने अरसे से कर रहे हैं? सिंस व्हेन? वो जो काम अब कर रहे हैं ये शुरू कब किया था? वो आपने टाइम बताना है, वो डेट बतानी है, वो साल बताना है, जो भी आपके ज़हन में है या कुछ हुआ था जो भी उस वक्त वो बताना है. जी, who will start? जी.
I am caring.
Well, you're caring. जी.
I am caring about my family.
Very good. जी.
I have been.
Okay, follow on.
I have been caring my family for 8 months.
Very good. Very good, beta. Since when?
I have been caring my family
since
my father died.
Very Allahumma nawwir Allahu qabrahu. May Allah Almighty shower His endless blessings on his grave. See, since my father died. Since my father died. See, my father जब से मेरे अब्बू फौत हुए उस दिन से उस लम्हे से लेकर आज तक मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? I am caring my family. मैं अपनी फैमिली की केयर कर रहा हूँ. Very good, Alibet. Very good. What is clear?
Yes, sir.
I am caring my family. I have been caring my family for 8 months. I have been caring my family since my father died. तो अगर आप वैसे कर सकते हैं, it is month of March now, तो 3 में नहीं है 5 में, तो जुलाई में फौत हुई ना?
जून में सर.
जून में तो ज़्यादा. हाँ. तो यूँ कह सकते हैं I have been caring my family since June 2014. ये शुरू कर भी वही बात होगी ना? Since June डेट क्या थी बेटा?
26.
Since 26th June 2014. बात क्लियर हुई नहीं हुई? जी, what are you doing these days?
I am playing these days.
Very good. You are playing what?
I am playing volleyball.
Very good. You are playing volleyball these days. For how long?
I have been playing volleyball for 8 months.
Very good. आपको 8 माह हो गए वॉलीबॉल खेलते हैं. You have been playing volleyball for 8 months. Since when?
I have been playing volleyball since 5 p.m.
ये क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं?
Sorry, sir.
8 माह हो गए आपको खेलते हुए.
Yes, sir.
जी. तो ये 5 PM कहाँ से आ गए?
I have been playing volleyball since I
हाँ.
entered
Since I joined the club.
the ground, entered ground.
हाँ. लेकिन वो
I
ऐसे
joined for.
because since my friend convinced me, you know, to play volleyball, to join the volleyball team. Clear? Since you can say, I came to know about the importance of playing volleyball. Came to know. We too बताने आपने सर. या तो डेट बता दें. अगर 8 months हो गया तो वही बात कह सकते हैं. Since June 2014. जी सही. ऐसा phrase.
I am learning.
You are learning. What complete बात करनी बेटा.
I am learning.
You are learning. What are you learning?
I am learning English.
हाँ पूरी देखो आपको मफहूम है गल भी है ना.
Yes, sir.
You are learning English for how long?
I have been learning English for
करो भाई.
3 months.
For 3 months. You have been learning English for 3 months. Since when?
I have been learning English for since
नहीं एक गल करो. Your for your since.
I have been learning English since
Okay.
I entered the college.
Since you entered the college. अगर दिन महीने तो और कह दो ना सारा जी. मार्च है ना जी.
Yes, sir.
आप कह सकते हैं since 1st January 2015. हो सकता है ना? Since 1st January 2015. या अगर आज वो दिसंबर क्या है मार्च की आज 9 तारीख है 10 है 9 है ना तो आप पीछे चले जाएंगे. दिसंबर क्या है ना जी? Since no December 10 2014. जी बेटा.
I am writing.
You're writing what?
I am writing English grammar.
You're writing English grammar for how long?
I have been writing English grammar for 8 minutes.
For 8 minutes. No, since when?
I have been writing English grammar since starting the period.
यार ये आप गलती करते हो. मैं नहीं
I
कहता हूँ.
entered the
स्टार्टिंग कहाँ से? ये अभी पहले लगता था. Since the period
Period started.
सर ये क्यों तुक्के क्यों लेते हो सर?
उसके बाद
पहले उसने वो अब आपको समझ आ गई ना?
Yes, sir.
ये पहले अली करता था ये स्टार्टिंग प्लान. कितना सादा. Since the period started.
Yes, sir.
No, since Mr. Rafi reached the classroom. No, since we got ready for the lecture. Clear? Since now the previous period. Since
Over.
the previous period was over. Was we do again? Na? Was over. बात क्लियर होगी?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा. एक बस सेंटेंस और बनाइए तब आगे चलना. ये गलतियाँ करते तो फिर होता है. जी. एक मिनट मैं आप चेंज कर रहा हूँ. हम अपनी बात करते हैं. हम including myself. What are we doing these days?
we
हम
are
कुछ तो कर रहे हैं ना आजकल.
Yes, sir.
What are we doing these days in this college? जी.
I am.
We
We
अपनी गल करिए including myself. जी.
We are learning English.
You are learning English. We are learning English these days. जी. For how long?
I have been.
नहीं यार.
We are.
I have.
We
We
have-
have. We have been learning English for 3 months.
Okay. Since when?
We have learning English.
We have been. We have been. मैं आगे नहीं चल रहा. मैं सब रुक रहूँगा. जी आगे जी.
We have been.
फिर गलती.
we haven't
We have been. भाई. We have. अली.
we are working.
Very good.
We are working for success.
Very good. आगे. For how long?
We have been hard working for success
Okay.
for 6 months.
Very good. Since when?
We have been working for success since this send up our ये खत्म हुआ सर.
Since now our send-ups was over. Since our pre-board exam was over. Since our examination was over. Since our test was over. ये कहने जा रहे हैं ना ये? अभी जो आपका एग्जाम खत्म हुआ है. जी.
We are reading for exam.
Very good. So we are reading for the examination. Ji.
We have been reading for examination for 3 months.
Okay. आगे चलेंगे. Since when?
We have been reading for examination since
Since when? Since when?
started.
Yes.
I appeared in library.
बस ये होना आपको जी मतलब तो 3 महीने हो गए तो since मैं
ये आगे कोई नहीं समझ आ रहा है.
बेटा ये कितनी सादा सी बात है जी सरफराज.
We
एक तो रीडिंग मैंने आपको कहा कि जुमला आप कितना मीनिंगफुल होना चाहिए. वी आर रीडिंग द बुक्स, वी आर रीडिंग डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स. हो सकता है ना, वी आर लर्निंग द क्वेश्चंस, वी आर मेमोराइजिंग द क्वेश्चंस. सारी इस तरह कोई मीनिंगफुल बात, सिर्फ रीडिंग हम की बात बनती नहीं है.